Know Your Islam, a 3-level quiz adventure. What is the Holy Book of Islam? D. Quran. Who is the last prophet in Islam? C. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. How many times do Muslims pray daily? D. 5. Which city is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? A. Mecca. What is the declaration of faith in Islam called? C. Shahada. During which month do Muslims fast? B. Ramadan. What is the term for giving charity in Islam? A. Zakat. What is the Islamic place of worship called? B. Mosque. How many chapters are there in the Quran? D. 114. Which angel delivered revelations to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? A. Jibreel. Who was the first caliph of Islam after Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? D. Abu Bakr. Which surah is known as the opening? A. Surah al-Fatiha. What is the night called when the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? B. Laylat al-Qadr. What is the fifth pillar of Islam? D. Hajj. How many prophets are mentioned by name in the Quran? C. 25. What is the name of the second caliph who expanded the Islamic Empire? A. Umar ibn al-Khattab. Who was known as the Sword of Allah? A. Khalid ibn al-Walid. What does Islam mean? B. Peace and submission. Which month is considered the first month of the Islamic calendar? A. Muharram. What is the Arabic term for monotheism in Islam? B. Tawhid. How many times is the word Allah mentioned in the Quran? D. 2699. What year was Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, born? C. 570 AD. Which Sahabi was given the title, the Trustworthy? D. Abu Ubaidah ibn al-Jarrah. Which prophet is mentioned most frequently in the Quran? C. Prophet Musa alayhi salam. What is the longest surah in the Quran? A. Surah al-Baqarah. Who built the Kaaba? C. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ishmael alayhi salam. In which battle did Muslims first achieve victory? B. Battle of Badr. What was the age of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he passed away? C. 63 years. Which Sahabi compiled the Quran into one book format? B. Hazrat Usman ibn Affan. Which prophet was known for his patience and endured immense suffering? C. Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam. What is the name of the treaty signed between Muslims and Quraysh in 628 AD? A. Treaty of Hudaybiyah. How many surahs begin with Alif Lam Mim? B. 3. 3. What was the occupation of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, before prophethood? D. Merchant. Which wife of the Prophet, peace be upon him, is known for narrating over 2,000 hadiths? A. Aisha bint Abu Bakr. What is the name of the special prayer performed during the last 10 nights of Ramadan? C. Qiyam al-Layl.